Yo, what's up guys, Legend Dad here with yet another video for you guys, but this time it's something different. We're going to be speaking about a question that gets asked a lot, guys. Where can we get copyright free music from? I may have found you an answer, guys. So sit tight and let's head on over into it. Right, guys. Now you are with us, guys. Yes, I found this guy. He is a friend. I am not going to lie. Marshall Madhouse is a friend. And he does all copyright free music for streams, guys. He does gaming mixes. Some, I believe, the copyright frees are Twitch, and the kick ones you can use as the gaming ones. But he also does a bit extra. I can find where they are, guys. I am not going to play any because it is his channel and he is away at the recording of this video, guys. Yeah, he actually makes his own lyrics with some songs as well, guys. So why not head over, check it out, get in touch with him. That's all sometimes he wants you to do is tag him in his videos. If you want any more, drop him a comment, drop him a message, and also drop him a subscribe, guys. Thank you very much for coming over and checking out this video. Now I will take you back over to the outro screen, and I will see you on the next one, guys. But yeah, head over, check him out, Marshall Madhouse. That from me, guys, is the end of this short video on how to get some copyright free music from, guys. If you found this video useful, drop a like and a subscribe, and comment below on what videos you want to see gaming related, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.